this is me. This is me today. Cleared all of that. Trying to get a bit more wallpaper off the walls. That's me. Just think about that while you're sunning yourself on the beach. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I've actually got on camera and done some filming at the flat. I've had so much to do, it's been so busy. Really missed off a few things. So basically, as you can see, ceiling's now in. Yay! Walls still need a bit of sorting. I've got a bit of bonding and bits that need doing, but basically carpets have all been ordered. Carpet fit is coming in 2 weeks time to fit, so we have got to get this transformed quite quickly. So guys, kitchen's coming in on Tuesday. I'm in the soon-to-be kitchen at the minute, so we've got a few last bits that need sorting out and chasing in. Boiler's all sorted, so that's coming soon. Joanna's going to be doing those works from Tuesday onwards. We've got doors that need fitting, and then obviously that's getting all decorated and renewed. Can show you in. It's pretty dark, but yeah, all that's out. Yay! In here there's not really a lot to show you, but the bathroom is all fitted and all covered, tucked away under all these dust sheets so that we can get all this sorted. Pretty much got a load of stuff done. We've got some doors here, sneak peek, yay. Flooring, tiling here, ready to go. So I'm literally here to just do a bit of tidying up, get rid of all of this rubbish here, and then yes, we should be ready to go. So let's get going. So yeah, I'm going to try and sort of bag all of this lot up, all the mess and stuff, and get that ready to go. We've got all this mess here, and then spare bits of quite a lot of plasterboard that's left behind that we're going to take to use on another job. Right, so I have cleared all of this out. Got all this rubbish here. Apologies guys, I'm on my phone filming. So yeah, we've got all that cleared all this away, everything here, and then all of this is sorted, ready to be cleared. Yeah, so we're moving on, we're getting there. Yeah, everything's all cleared, so I'll just do a quick sweep of the room. That's ready for the plasterer to finish doing his thing. Right guys, so we are back at the flat, and apologies, things have been moving so fast. I've not even had a chance to kind of update you on where we are. Weeks bloody 3, 4 and 5 have just all rolled into weeks 7 and 8. So apologies. So we're here, we have made a few more developments, and what I've come to do now is just try to look at sorting out these windows. So today's task is trying to clean this up. Right, so we have gone for these tiles. Really love the colour. I wanted like a nice grey kind of stone textured effect, so I'm going to go for those, and they were lovely, brilliant, because they were half price in Top Tiles. So I brought enough for this one, and spoiler alert, I brought enough for our next project as well, which is currently going through at the minute. So that's here. We've got all this left over. The bathroom's been done. All of this lot, all these boxes left over. So that should do the other properties as well. Probably 1.5, maybe get another pack, because check with Top Tiles and their half price sales end sometime mid or end of December. So I might pick up a few more boxes just in case. We've also got this tile for the kitchen, again half price from Top Tiles, so we'll be using that. Have this end bath panel, which we won't be using. I've had to actually buy a new one, so I'm going to save that for the new flat. We've had to buy a new one because the other one wasn't high enough. There was just so, I won't be able to see the light in here that well because it's so dark. But just quickly, the heart of the bath needed to be get heightened so that it could drain all the way through here and back into the communal stack pipe. So we had before, we had to lift up the bath, so therefore bath panel wasn't high enough. So that was one thing we had to overcome. So this is going for, again, next project. We've also got a load of worktop left over, a good few pieces. I'm hoping, again, we can use it on in one of our next projects. So that'll carry over. I have these tiles here, which I think the plumber's going to choose from to put the splashback over the sink and basin when he comes back. But obviously next week, once we get light in there, I can show you everything in there. So everything's all cracking off. I've had to do things, move things around a bit, juggle things. Obviously the floor's not down, the floor's down in here, which I didn't want, ideally, I wouldn't want to do, because obviously I don't want to ruin the floor. Look at all this we've got to clean up, but we had to juggle things, we've moved so that things get done and get done by evaluation date, which, stress, is going to be in the next couple of weeks. So we had to get that done so that we can therefore get off the bridge part of the bridge to let and onto stop and initiate the second stage of the buy to let part and portion of the financing. So again, if you want any more, what I'll do is I'll do an in-depth video on that and how just my thoughts and how it's gone, working with everybody, all the professionals, in order to get through the process of a bridge to let. If you want to know, just pop bridge to let in the comments and I'll do a more in-depth video on that. But yeah, guys, I'm just glad this is in and we're so far into this. So as I said, things have done here, there, everywhere, all over. I'm back to work with the workmen. They've been really, really good, working around me, helping me out so we can get bits done. So some of it's a bit backwards, some of it's not. We've gone back and forth, just so we can jiggle it and get it done within the programme, which sometimes you have to do. So yeah, as I said, what I'm going to do is get on with doing these windows, get a bit of bleach on this and get that done. So I'll just show you the window progress. Quite pleased with that, if I don't say so myself. And then the lounge window, really, really happy with. That's that all cleaned. Remember there was a massive, big splash all over this. God knows what it was. But I think there's all ketchup and stuff on the outside of this one that I need to do. So that will be another job for next time, is to try and hang out of these windows somehow with these off the hatch, these restrictors off, and try to scrub these little patches of ketchup off. Lovely. Yum. At least I know I've got some ketchup for my chips. And then that's that one. Also cleaned off the intercom, unfortunately. Now the cord is completely yellow and the intercom is a nice grey colour, the original colour actually. I didn't think it was grey, I thought it was white, but yeah, lovely. Absolutely love the way these tiles have come out, gorgeous. And my plumber said there's no gullet tiling. I think this says different, mate. Lovely finish. Thank you so much, Scott. Looks gorgeous.